it won't start. Wouldn't start. Scooter don't start. And I'm going to try to show you guys a few things that you check. Got it all disassembled here. Alright, so if your scooter won't start with electric start, okay, make sure you check your connections. Make sure you're using your kill switch here. Okay, it should, on this model, it's on the right hand side. Turn it on. Okay. But that's not the case in mine, so I'm not going to try it. But usually the kickstart will work, and it did work to get it going. Make sure you have a good connection on your batteries, of course. And then always check your fuel system. Okay, always. Now, if all that, the batteries are connection, the electric connection, open your fuel cap, your air cap, because there could have been air in it. Just let it get, make sure you, let's just open it up and make sure it gets air. Shut it back down. Try it again. If you still don't get your scooter running, everything's connected and you're getting power, battery's good, then you need to come up and check up here. If you got fuel and all that. And that's exactly what happened to me. This master cylinder, I'm sorry, is somehow defective. And I'm pretty sure it's this wire here because it's really loose. It's a connecting wire. Okay, so, but I think I got it far enough to where it would just start. And what that does is, if your brakes are malfunctioning, when you go to turn your switch on, it won't let you start. It will not send power from here to the back starter, which is in my case right here, or solenoid, to give it the power to use the starter to unite your engine. No matter what, you can use a kickstart, it ain't going to start. None of it's going to start. So that's a biggie. That's probably the most common problem, is, I'm guessing, is these. I'm coming to find out. So just a little heads up. Check that. Or also an easy way to check it is if you turn your key on. Okay, we'll go ahead and do that. Turn it on, and your brake light's on. That means my brakes are on for some reason, and that's not going to let my scooter start. Okay, just a little heads up. Hope the video gave you some guidance. There's lots of videos, and once you diagnose your scooter on how to fix it. Thanks for watching.